Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to create this blob tracking glass effect in touchdesigner. I think this effect works well with portraits, so I put a picture of me. Feel free to use your own image or other people's portrait. And it works well with square image, so I set the resolution to 1920. This blob tracking, almost like a filter, is different from other tutorials out there. This one is more aesthetic and glittering. Let's get started. First, add a constant, set the resolution to 1920, and then you would need different ramp as your glass pattern. Then you would need a luma blur to create this glass effect. The first input is your image and the second input is the pattern. For the first one, I'm using a circular face. You animate the face so that it will move gradually, and this is the parameters I'm using. And the second one is radial, and also animate the face and change the period, and we'll show you how it looks like. With the second one, actually I'm using this. Yeah, so you see it's shifting. And the third is a ramp. I'm using face divided by 10, period this, and inch operation. So the third one is like horizontal shifting. And the fourth one, combine two different noise and displace them, and I also add a level. I don't know why, but yeah, I guess just give a pattern. It blurs out different parts of the image, and the parts that is clear, you have the blob tracking. So once you have all those different textures connected to a switch, and you can easily drag and change the filters, and then add your own image connected to a feed. Fit the resolution we set in the beginning and the luma blur. Then you connect your luma blur, this image, to blob track. The blob track, this is the parameters I'm using. And then for the text, to create highlight effect, you add a texture. Here I'm using this font, which is a free font. I will also link in the description, you can find it. And then I transform horizontal and add a blur, pre-shrink filter size, compose them together using operation add. The first input is the texture and the second input is the blur. Then composite together with our blob tracking texture. So that's it. It's pretty, I think, this technique. Let me change back to... I like the first one. This one is also kind of cool. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. If you want the exact project files, remix ready templates, and commercial use assets, they're all on my Patreon. Download and project notes included, so you can remix faster and focus on what you do best. And support me to create more visual assets for you. See you next time!